Hello.
Hello.
I'm LeBron. Just kidding. Today it's me and Philly. It's another one with Philly in it.
Yep.
And she's gonna do an LOL. Okay, let's see. Let's see what's inside.
Fire.
What's in here? Ah!
I saw a shoe.
So here's her dress.
Thank you, Mama. Then I found all the dolls.
This. Ah, she's naked. Nobody did. There we go. There. There, she's fine now. Let's open it together.
It's the car.
The car is now part of the crew and it's stuck. Okay.
Okay, let's see what's in here.
Let's see what else. I bet it's the baby car.
Yeah.
It's the baby car. Let's put this together.
Yeah.
Is that a trailer?
Yeah, this is a trailer with an extra wheel. Look, do you guys see that extra wheel right there?
Look, baby.
Don't cry in the video.
Okay. Mama,
What's her name?
Spice.
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 My sister's into LOL dolls so much that look what she has. And look what's inside. LOL stuff.
And I like to go in my car.
Today we got Spice, and she has a car in the trailer.
And we have stuff in it.
Okay, I hope you had fun watching this video. Bye! I'm okay.